Yo, what is good everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at the Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a sneaker that I actually purchased from Seoul, Seattle. If you guys want to go check them out, they sell, trade, and buy sneakers. So make sure you guys go check them out. I'll leave their link to their Instagram down below in the description box. Make sure you guys sit back and relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we actually get into the video, I want to thank everyone for subscribing to the channel. We just reached 3,000 subscribers, so shout out to everyone that's been supporting the channel. I could finally say that we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. So what I need you guys to do, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel and make sure you guys drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel grow. I got a bunch of Hypebeast sneaker unboxings coming this week, so you guys gotta make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. So I'm gonna do something a little different for you guys. So you guys obviously see a lot of my unboxings and I just open it with, like, you know, with a knife and scissors. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below what I should use to unbox my sneakers. So since this is the first video that I'm actually doing, I actually let my girlfriend choose what I should use, and she actually chose this toy knife that my daughter has in her little toy box. So this is like a toy knife that she ended up choosing. So shout outs to the girlfriend actually choosing this. So make sure you guys comment down below what I should use to unbox my next sneaker with. So I'll end up choosing one of the random ideas that you guys put in the comment section, and then I'll shout you guys out. So make sure you guys spam the comments right now and let me know what I should use to unbox my next sneaker with. I'm pretty excited to unbox these guys. As you guys can see from the title, we are unboxing the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway. Shout out to Seoul, Seattle one time for hooking this up. They gave me a really good price. I ended up just negotiating with them, and then we end up having an agreement. So as you guys can see, 700 up top right here. As you guys know, the 700 V3s don't have boost. So you normally see boost on the side of the box, but this sneaker specifically does not have boost, man. I'm really excited about this. So people were telling me to go a half size up, and so that's what I did. I am normally a size 8, but I ended up going an 8.5. So as you guys can see with the tag, you guys already know Alvah, Alvah, Alvah. I think that's what it says. So yeah, Alvah, Alvah, Alvah. It's the all black sneaker. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. This is super exciting. I'm really hyped about this sneaker. So this is the 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway, man. Wow. I'm really happy what Adidas and Kanye did to this design. Obviously this one does not have boost. That's like the #1 difference between the V1s, the V2s to the V3s. The sole definitely reminds me of the 380s sole. Definitely has that thick sole on the heel right here. I know that this right here, this cage part that is surrounded on the side of the shoes, glow in the dark. I'll definitely give you guys clips on this video of some on feets, just a little snippet of the on feet portion. But man, these are so sick, man. Really surprised what resale looks like right now. I believe right now it's about $340 to $350 depending on your size. I know the first release of the 700 V3s Azels, those are going for like $600 to $700. That's why I'm really surprised how low the resale value is. But in my opinion, do not sleep. I think this is a good sneaker to hold. I think you should hold. I think value is definitely gonna go up on these. I really wish they added the boost on this sneaker. I'm not sure why they decided to take the boost out of the sneaker, but people are saying these are one of probably the most uncomfortable Yeezy yet today. So I mean, I'm not sure if these are comfortable or not, in my opinion, because I haven't tried them on. So we'll see. If you guys want a detailed look, like I said, make sure you guys smash that like button. That pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, make sure you guys leave a comment and as well as a thumbs up on this video. It really means a lot to me. Like I said, guys, thank you for everyone supporting the channel. More unboxings on the way, so make sure you guys drop a comment down below and let me know what I should use to unbox my next sneaker with. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your week. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my next unboxing. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.